who's the fake Marcos, who was a fake Filipino, who was a Marcos loyalist wannabe. You remember her name is Christy Mike. You know Christy Mike. Um, you have to stop bullying at Jerick Silva. Because, you know, if you bully Jerick Silva, if you bash him in social media, that is a cyberbullying. You do not know what happened. First of all, you bullied Shania Kiana and Joseph Maspinas. You're just like Paulo Cruzada. You know, Christy Mikes. You need to stop bullying. If you don't stop bullying, I will put you in my enemy list. Oh, you know, Jerick Silva and his girlfriend was affected because of you. Dahil sa'yo, Christy Mikes, puro ka kasi kabalbalan, puro ka kasing kabalastugan. You do not know what is resilient and defiant. You know, Christy Mikes, with all due respect, if you make bullying, if you make cyberbullying to the girlfriend of Jerick Silva, I will put you in my enemy list together with Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Evelyn Caja, and including Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Nidio Barsaga, Romeo TV Vlog, and Sangkay Janjan. Remember that. Christy Mayers. Oh, I do not mention it. You know, Christy Mayers. Myers. Oh, I do not mention your name. Hindi kita kilala. You do not know what is cyberbullying, Christy Mayers. Bullying is not whatsoever. You do not know what is cyberbullying. Because I know the Marcos loyalists are being manipulative. They are making cyberbullying. That is a cyberbullying. You thrown those words upon to the girlfriend of Jerick Silva, Christy Mayers. You know, Christy Mayers, with all due respect, when you make a cyberbullying, you do not know what is cyberbullying means. You affected your own people, you affected your own mental health. You do not know what is cyberbullying. Christy Mayers, with all due respect, cyberbullying is misunderstanding. That's what I said before. You do not know cyberbullying. Look at me, Christy Mayers, the enemy of Jerick Silva. I'm a formerly bully. I'm the one who makes the false account or something, but you do not know what you're talking about. You know, Christy Mayers, that is a cyberbullying. That is the really happening. What you're saying, it is not good. You will reflect yourself. You will regret yourself. You will face your own consequences, Christy Mayers. You know, folks, you do not know what really happened. Nagsumbong sa akin ni Jerick Silva tungkol to kay Christy Mayers. You know, for me, when I heard the lesson anyway, wag ka kasi puro mang-away. You know, Christy Mayers, this is a lesson for you. Do not make enemies. You know, when I was told by Ate Hana, or when I was told by Kuya Mel, Nixon Castro, is that right to make enemies, Christy Mayers? Me and Wawel, we're not making enemies in social media. The real problem is yourself. Problema mo yan, Christy Mayers. Ginago mo pala si Jerick Silva. Oh, you do not know what you're talking about, what you're thrown your upon on those words that you're saying. That is bullying. Look at Kuya Jojo. Oh, and Yumi. Oh, Yumi was not affected of cyberbullying. She feels herself to be more active and more happiness. Do not talk about negatives. Christy Mayers, me, I never want too much negatives. I am so lucky. I met Miss Earth Thailand 2025, Marina Kram, the Miss Earth 2025 candidate. We know each other, we met each other, magkilala kami. You do not know what we are saying. Christy Mayers, with all due respect, you are a person who are bashing at, not to bash anybody, even autism, disability, and anywhere. You do not know what you're talking about. You bully Joseph Maspinas, you bully Shania Kiana. That will be happen, they will be happen to Emma Natienza, the daughter of Kim Atienza. If I were you, Christy Mayers, wag ka na kasi mag-bully. Do not bully anybody or any person that you're bullying at. That's really bad.